Hi, my dear children. This is Prasanna, your maths tutor. Dear children, today let us solve some story problems which are based on metric measurements. Your first main is fill in the blanks with the correct numbers and insert sign plus, minus, multiplication or division sign in the box and find the answers. Your first question is 8 tanks of equal capacity can hold 160 liter and 800 ml water. Then find the capacity of each tank. So there are 8 tanks and each of the tank will have the equal capacity, and the total capacity of those 8 tanks is this much, that is 160 liter and 800 ml, and they are asking the capacity of each tank. So first we take the total quantity, that is 160 liter 800 ml, and since they are asking the capacity of each task, so that each tank, so that we have to divide this total quantity of the 8 tanks by 8 tanks. So when you divide 160 liter 800 ml by 8, your answer would be 20 liter and 100 ml, right? So you can do this. Capacity of 8 tanks equals 160 liter 800 ml, and to know the capacity of each tank we have to divide the total quantity of 8 tanks by 8, and when you do so you will get the quotient, that is 20,100, and the first 3 places for ml and the next 2 digits for liter. So this is the answer of first one, that is 20 liter 100 ml. Let's move on to the second question, that is one bag of rice weight is 20 kg 100 gram. Find the weight of 5 such bags. So first they have given the weight of one rice bag, that is 20 kg and 100 gram. Since we are finding the weight of 5 such bags, so we have to multiply this quantity of one rice bag, weight of one rice bag, that is 20 kg and 100 gram, by 5. So 5 times of 0 is 0, and 5 times 0 is again 0, and 5 times of 1 is 5, and 5 times of 0 is 0, and 5 times of 2 is 10. So it is 100 kg 500 gram. Anita used 2 meter 50 centimeter cloth to stitch a shirt and 3 meter 20 centimeter cloth to stitch a trouser. Trouser is nothing but a pant. Then find the total length of cloth she has used. So first she used this much for stitching shirt, and later she used this much of cloth for stitching trouser. So 2 meter 50 centimeter for shirt and 3 meter 20 centimeter for trouser, and they are asking the total length of the cloth she has used. So total means it is addition only, so that we have to use addition sign here. So 2 meter plus 3 meter would be 5 meter, and 50 centimeter plus 20 centimeter would be 70 centimeter. So this is the total length of cloth she has used for stitching both shirt as well as trouser. And next question is, it is Mrinal purchased 15 liter 500 ml of oil, and out of this she has used only 10 liter of 200 ml oil for preparing the food, and find the amount of oil which is left. So total quantity of the oil is 15 liter 500 ml, and in which she has used only 10 liter and 200 ml, so that we have to subtract it. And when you subtract this quantity of oil from this quantity of oil, then remaining oil will be this much, that is 15 minus 10 would be 5 liter, and 500 ml minus 200 ml would be 300 ml. So this is the amount of oil which is left. Now let us move on to the story problems. First question is, the weight of 6 bags of vegetables is 12 kg 870 gram, and if all the bags carry the same weight, then find the weight of one bag. So weight of 6 bags is this much, that is 12 kg 870 gram, and to know the weight of each bag we have to divide the total weight of 6 bags of vegetables by 6. So we take the numbers only here, so 12870, and we divide it by 6, and after dividing this number by 6 we would get the quotient, that is 2145. So in which first 3 places would be for gram, and the next digit would make kg. So it is 2 kg 145 gram. So this is the weight of one bag of vegetable, that is 2 kg 145 gram. Then second question, it is, yes, it is Beena bought 2 bags of rice, and the weight of one bag is 30 kg 500 gram, and the weight of other bag is 15 kg 250 gram, and what is the total weight of both the bags? So weight of first rice bag is, that is 30 kg 500 gram, and weight of the other rice bag is 15 kg 250 gram, and they are asking the total weight of both the bags, so that we have to add here. So 0 plus 0 would be 0, 0 plus 5 is 5, and 5 plus 2 is 7, and 0 plus 5 would be 5, and 3 plus 1 is 4. So the total weight of both the rice bags is 45 kg and 750 gram. And they are also asking what is the yes, they are also asking the difference, right? First they are asking total weight of both the bags, and also they are asking what is the difference in weights. So difference is nothing but subtraction of both the weights. So weight of the first rice bag is, that is 30 kg 500 gram, and weight of the second rice bag is 15 kg 250 gram. So subtract this quantity from this, it would be 15 kg 250 gram. So this is the difference of weights. Now let us move on to the next question, that is Amla bought 2 kg 650 gram tomatoes and 5 kg 375 gram potatoes and 1 kg 250 gram of cauliflower for preparing pav bhaji, and what was the total weight of vegetables? Look at here. Her plan is to prepare the pav bhaji. So for that she purchases 2 kg 650 gram of tomato and 5 kg 370 gram of potato and 1 kg 250 gram of cauliflower, and we need to find out here the total weight of all these vegetables. So that is why we have to add this all one by one. So 650 plus 375 plus 250 gram will give you 275 gram, and 2 kg 5 kg 1 kg will give you to the total 9 kg. So just add them, then you will get the total weight of all these vegetables, that is 9 kg 275 gram. Then let's move on to the next question. It is C, but it is written as A, so you make it C. Next it is yes, D. Sonia gave 117 kg 650 gram of rice to 13 people, and each person got the same quantity. Then how much rice did each person receive? So she has already given 117 kg of 650 gram to 13 people equally. Then if each of them will get equal amount, then what is the quantity of the rice which is received by each person? So the quantity of rice given to 13 people is this much, that is 117 kg 650 gram, and quantity of rice received by each would be, we have to divide this total quantity of rice, that is 117650 divided by 13, so that we would get the answer like 9 kg 050 gram is nothing but 50 gram. So 9 kg 50 gram. So this is the quantity of rice received by each person. Let's move on to the next question, that is E. Pinky had 78 meter long rope and she made two pieces. First she had this long rope and she made two parts, not equal parts, but she made two pieces here. So the length of one piece is 32 meter 85 centimeter, and what is the length of the other piece? So first, total length of rope is 78 meter and 0 centimeter. Why I written 0 centimeter? Because in order to balance this, so that's why 78 meter mean, it also means 78 meter 0 centimeter. Then length of one piece of the rope after being cut is 32 meter and 85 centimeter, and here we are finding the length of other piece of rope. So that's why we have to subtract the length of one piece of the rope from the total length of the rope, so that it would be, see here, we cannot subtract 85 from 0, so that's why we take borrow from here. So it would be 77, it would be 100. So 100 minus 85 is 15, and 77 minus 32 would be 45. So length of other piece of rope is 45 meter and 15 centimeter. Now let us move on to the next question, that is F. Saroj and her family went for a picnic during the weekend and they traveled 50 kilometers 75 meter and 105 kilometer 850 meter distance, and what distance in kilometers did they travel together? So first they traveled 50 kilometer 75 meter, and later they traveled 105 kilometer 850 meter, and they're asking the total distance they traveled in the weekend. So to find out that, we are going to add both the units. So this is 5 and 7 plus 5 is 12, 1 carry over, it is 9, and it is 5, 5 plus 0 is 5, and 1 as it is. So it is 155 kilometer 925 meter. And so this, if you want to write this in a kilometer, you can write this as 155.925 kilometer. Yes, in both the way we can express that. Let's move on to the next question, that is a G. One bag of cement weighs is 14 kg 750 gram, and what is the total weight of 5 such bags? So this is the weight of one cement bag, that is 14 kg 750 gram, and we want the weight of similar such 5 cement bags. So for this we multiply the weight of one cement bag with the 5, so that it is 14 kg 750 gram multiplied by 5. So when you multiply, you would get 73 kg 750 gram. So this is the weight of 5 such cement bags. Let's move on to the next question. It is H. The total capacity of 17 cans is 204 liter 255 ml, and what is the capacity of one can if all the cans carry the same amount of liquid? So total capacity of 17 cans means 17 cans can hold the liquid quantity, that is 204 liters 255 ml, but they are asking what is the capacity of each can, so that we have to divide the total quantity, that is 204,255 by 17, and when you do so, then you would get the quotient, that is 12015, and as I said, first 3 places for ml and remaining digits for liter. So it is 12 liter 015 ml, or else it is simply 12 liter 15 ml. Let's move on to the next question, that is I. Neha made 16 cakes out of 17 kg of 560 gram of flour. So there is a flour of weight 17 kg 568 gram. So out of this flour she made, from this flour she made 16 cakes. So flour which is used to make 16 cakes is this much, that is 17 kg 568 gram, but she wants to find out what amount of flour is required for making one cake. So for that, the total quantity must be divided by 16, that is 17568 divided by 16, and quotient would be 1098. It clearly shows that for making one cake she needs 1 kg 98 gram of flour, right? But she wants to prepare 12 similar cakes. So what amount of flour is required for preparing 12 cakes? It's simple. So this is the quantity of flour required for making one cake, but she wants to know that what quantity of flour is required for making 12 cakes. So for that, this value must be multiplied by 12. So it is 1 kg 98 gram. So it can also be written as 098 gram, and which must be multiplied by 12, so that your product would be 13176, and first 3 places for gram and the next digits for kg, so that 13 kg 176 gram of flour is required for making 12 cakes.